So we need to find power but with a faster function, which is faster power. For example, 5 raised to the power 3. So it will 125, but finding it in this way, 5 into 5 into the iterative way, for I equals to 0, I less than blah blah, I less than 3, I plus plus, then multiplying. It's a like very slower way. And just a second. And using the power function is okay, but you cannot use power function. So how would you do? For example, we have 5. Let's do it with 2. We have 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 4. So what you'll do, you'll find 2 raised to the power 2. This is smaller, and then you'll multiply this smaller with another smaller. Basically, what we need to do, we have 2 raised to the power 10 here. Divide this by half. 10 by 2 is equals to 5. So like this is 2 raised to the power y, so y by 2. 2 is a number here. So we need to take two input, num and y. Num is equals to 2, y is equals to 10. So dividing by this 5 and then passing it into recursion function. So 2, what we'll do, we'll make a smaller. The smaller would be 2 raised to the power 5. And multiplying this by 2 raised to the power 5. Then again on this 2 raised to the power 5, what a recursion function will do, it will find 5 by 2. As I told you, it will find 5 by 2, which would be equals to 2. So it will find 2 raised to the power 2 and multiply by 2, this thing. And then again the smaller, like I'll explain you for 2 to the power 5 now. For 2 raised to the power 5, what it will do, 2 raised to the power 2, and this is some smaller answer, multiply by smaller answer and multiply by 2 itself. Basically 2 is number here. So 2 into 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2, which is equals to 2 into 2, and this is basically 2 raised to the power 5. So these things would be done by recursion. That's why it will take, it's a like faster function. I'll explain with code now. This is the whole code. We are taking input num and y. So num is 2 here, for example, 2 comma 10, and we have passed it into our function num and y. If y is equals to 0, return 1. Basically, if 2 raised to the power 0, 1, because anything raised to the power is 1. So return 1, and in this smaller answer, for smaller answer, we are calculating this power function, like recursively, we are calculating power function with y by 2, which I have told you. And if y by 2 is even, we'll return just smaller answer into smaller answer. Like if it's 2 raised to the power 10, then it will be 2 into 5 and 2 into 5. If it's 2 raised to the power 20, similar 210, 210, then this 210 would be passed again for 2 5 and 2 5. So that's how recursion works. And if it's odd, then just multiply 2 here, which is number, just multiply number, and these rest of the thing is same.